two properties that are very useful but that we get mixed up a lot are the commutative property and the associative properties. So let's talk about the commutative property first. It simply means that the order in which we add or multiply numbers does not change their sum or product. So for example, we can multiply 5 times 6, and we know that that's 30, right? But we could also multiply 6 times 5, and it's still 30. So it didn't matter what order we multiplied 5 times 6 or 6 times 5, the answer is still 30. So in the same way, we know that 3 plus 2 equals 5, right? Well, 2 plus 3 also equals 5. And we can also look at this with letters. AB is the same as BA. So there are useful ways that we can use the commutative property. For now, we just need to recognize that the order in which we add or multiply numbers doesn't matter, right? The next property, and these two are often mixed up, so let's think about these, is the associative property. And so the associative property means the way you group 3 or more numbers when adding or multiplying does not change their sum or product. So what this means, we need to use parentheses here, but if we had, let's not use letters yet. Let's do 2 plus 3 plus 1. What does that equal? 2 plus 3, we do parentheses first, right, is 5 plus 1, so 6. We know that the final answer there is 6. Well, we could have also said 2 plus 3, so we're keeping the same order, right? Keeping the same order, but let's change the grouping. Well, then 3 plus 1 is 4, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So it didn't matter how we grouped these numbers because we were adding. The end sum is the same either way. And this is the same. Let's do one quick multiplication example. So we could say we got 2 times 3 times 1, okay? And we want to multiply that like this, okay? So 3 times 1 is 3, times 2, right, is 6, okay? And then we've got 2, we're not going to change the order. We're just going to change the grouping. 2 times 3 is 6, times 1 is still 6. So it doesn't matter how we group numbers when we add or multiply them. So that's the associative property. Commutative property says we can change their order, and associative says we can change their grouping.